as you can see, this cloud-lifted web frame divides the upper drawers from the mid drawers, and there's an arch and a cloud lift all in the mix, which kind of makes for some issues. The big issue is these little cross members here. If this is an arch, they're not going to quite set on there. They need a flat spot to really register just right. So what I did in the on the CNC is I created a flat spot from here to here. This is such a gentle arch that your eye doesn't pick up the fact that that's flat from there to there. So that gave me good registration. I don't know if you can see that, but that notch is right in the center of that 4-inch flat spot. That tells me right where to put a biscuit joiner, line it up. And in this case, I'm using the S6s, Lamello S6 biscuits. So when I glue this guy up, there's my mark on this cross member where I plunge the Lamello machine to put in that S6. And here's my notch here. I can line those up, and that helps me keep the glue up square too. And I know you can't feel this, but that's dead flush. If it was over here somewhere, you would feel it wouldn't be dead flush. Okay, so now I'm ready to glue up this web frame structure to the case. The issue becomes reference for the biscuits. Now down here, this would be the top of the edge of the web frame. That's easy, that reference is easy. Up here, not so much. What I've done is I've slid back in this fixture that was used to glue up that drawer divider and clamped it down. That gives me a positive reference where it's not, you know, a little wonky there. And I've made up this board here. It's got the biscuit slots already cut in it and the lines for reference. Goes in like that. And then I've got a common reference right there for my biscuits. Now that board that I used to reference the biscuits in the web frame structure can also be used on the end panel, like so. So now I've got common reference on both pieces.